Two people, same job, same income. By the end of the month, one is broke, stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. The other? They're steadily building wealth. Why? It's not luck. It's not a secret inheritance. It comes down to one simple, powerful thing: mindset. Most people believe that being rich simply means having a lot of money. But that's where the illusion is. The truth is, being rich starts before the money even hits your account. It starts in how you think about it. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are combining the proven psychology of wealth with the powerful universal principles of the law of attraction. This is the complete, comprehensive roadmap to stop chasing money and start attracting it. The first step on that roadmap is understanding where your current mindset came from. How did the mindset form? When did it form? And most essentially, can we change it? Think back to when you were 7. What did you hear about money? This is the point in your life when your financial scripts were written. Let's look at a quick example. Mom and Dad are sorting out the monthly bills in the kitchen and Priya is happily coloring her book.
Mom, can we get that new bicycle for my birthday? The one with the sparkly streamers?
Absolutely not, Priya. You know we can't even talk about that right now.
But why?
Because money is always a struggle. It's a constant battle, and we have to be practical. That bicycle is a ridiculous luxury. For Priya, that simple conversation writes a powerful subconscious script. Her observation is, my parents look stressed and angry when they talk about money. Money equals pain. And an internal rule forms, I need to be careful with every penny, or I'll cause problems. That feeling, that rule, that's a limiting belief, and it will follow Priya into adulthood, often causing her to push away the very wealth she desires. Let's take a look at Priya as an adult. She is sitting in front of a computer, looking at a high-paying job offer she has just received. Wow, this salary is huge. But that means a lot of pressure. And I don't want people to think I'm greedy. Maybe I should just stick with my old job. It's safer. It's easier to be a good person when you don't have much. Did you catch that? Her adult decision isn't based on skills or logic. It's based on an 8-year-old's rule. Money equals struggle and having money makes you a bad person. She is subconsciously sacrificing her financial growth to uphold a childhood definition of safety and morality. This is how limiting beliefs steal your potential. But we can't just wish those beliefs away. We have to replace them with a powerful framework. The mindset foundation. First, the scarcity trap. It's not what you earn, it's how you think. How do we change it? By changing the questions. The scarcity mindset is a language of shutdown. When they see something they want or need, their immediate thought is, I can't afford it. This is a final statement that closes the door. The abundance mindset uses a language of exploration. Their immediate thought is, how can I afford it? This is an instruction to their brain to find a solution, a new skill, a better business opportunity, or a more efficient method. Next, let's look at money as emotion versus money as a tool. Money decisions are rarely logical, they are emotional. The scarcity thinker sees money as a source of fear and something to be hoarded. They save out of fear of loss, avoid risk, and by doing so, miss the opportunities for compounding wealth. The abundance thinker sees money as a tool, something to use, learn from, invest, and grow. They are willing to take calculated risks because they believe they can always create more. This is the psychological ground zero. If you don't win the war in your mind, no amount of positive thinking will work. The law of attraction mechanism. The vibration alignment. Ask, believe, receive. The law of attraction is often misunderstood as magic. It's not. It's a mechanism that states, like attracts like. Your dominant thought and feeling patterns create a specific vibrational frequency, and the universe responds by matching that frequency with people, circumstances, and opportunities. The ask. You must be perfectly clear about what you are calling in. Don't just wish for more money. State a concrete goal with a clear timeline. What is this money for? Is it for the vacation you have planned or the car you want to purchase? How much do you want for this goal? When do you want it? The power of paper. Write your intention down. Writing it down helps you articulate your thoughts with the right words. It's clarity of thought. The belief. This is where the abundance mindset merges with the LOA. Your subconscious mind cannot hold to conflicting beliefs simultaneously. If you affirm, I am a crorepati, but secretly believe, I am always broke, you create vibrational static. Use affirmations to reprogram. Use present tense statements to trick your subconscious. I am a magnet for wealth. My income is constantly increasing through multiple channels. I am worthy of an abundant life. The receive. This is where we bridge the gap between intention and reality. The receive step requires you to take small, tangible actions that signal to your subconscious and the universe that you are prepared for the transfer of wealth. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to genuinely thank the money you spend. When paying a bill, thank the money for the service it bought, heat, internet, shelter. When you receive a paycheck, feel genuine gratitude for the work you did and the value you provided. This shifts the emotional charge from loss to appreciation, which is the frequency of abundance. Practice generosity. This doesn't mean breaking your budget. When you receive services, deliberately tip slightly better than required, or commit to donating a small, conscious percentage of every income stream. This action proves to your subconscious, I have more than enough to spare and share. You are actively demonstrating the abundance mindset. The Unified Action Plan. Integrating mindset and manifestation. This is where we bring it all together. The universe provides the opportunities, but you still have to open the door and walk through it. This is your 3-step Unified Action Plan. Step 1. Filter out scarcity. What you focus on expands. If you're constantly complaining about debt, you're vibrating at the frequency of debt. Stop complaining about what you don't have. Start practicing gratitude for what you have. This shifts the emotional charge from dread to appreciation. It's like the red car principle. When you decide to buy a red car, you start seeing them everywhere. Similarly, when you focus on solutions and opportunities, your reticular activating system or RAS in your brain starts spotting them in your environment. Step 2. The money as a tool exercise. Stop viewing money as something to be trapped or feared. Instead of seeing money leaving your hands as a loss, reframe it. For example, taking a course is an investment in your future value. Or buying a quality tool is an investment in your efficiency. Give generously, even if it's small. When you give, you are telling your subconscious, I have so much that I can afford to share. This is the ultimate declaration of abundance. Step 3. Conscious language shifts. We must actively correct the language of the poor mindset every time it slips out. Here's some examples. From, I can't afford it, to, how can I attract the value to afford this? From I hate my job or finances to, I am committed to improving my financial situation and creating a better path. From rich people are lucky, to, rich people have mastered a certain set of skills and beliefs, and I am learning them. Every time you catch a scarcity thought, replace it immediately with the abundant truth. This is the act of consciously adjusting your vibrational dial. The final equation. Wealth isn't a secret formula. It's an equation. It starts in your mind by shifting from a feeling of scarcity to a certainty of abundance. The equation is, your thoughts shape your feelings drive your actions, and your actions create your results. The law of attraction is the engine, matching your new vibrational frequency with real-world opportunities. The inspired action is you, driving the car. You are not waiting for money to come to you to feel abundant. You feel abundant, and that feeling attracts the money. What is the one scarcity belief you are rewriting today? Write it down below. Take control of your mindset, take charge of your vibration, and let the wealth begin to flow.